Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
You want to mass delete emails in Outlook by date. This is a common need to manage your inbox and free up storage space. Here's the most effective way to do it. First, open your Outlook application. Navigate to the search bar, which is usually found at the top of your email list or window. This is where you'll tell Outlook what emails you want to find. To specify a date range, you'll use specific search queries. For instance, if you want to delete all emails received before a certain date, like January 1st, 2023, type received. 1/1/2023 directly into the search bar. Outlook will then display every email that arrived prior to that date. If your goal is to delete emails within a particular time frame, such as all emails from the year 2022, you would type received 1/1/2022, 12/31/2022. Once your search results appear, you need to select them all. Click on the very first email in the list. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last email shown in the search results. This action will highlight and select all the emails in between. An even quicker method is to press Ctrl+A on a Windows computer or Command+A on a Mac after the search results are visible. This selects every email currently displayed. With all the desired emails selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. These emails are now moved to your deleted items folder. For permanent removal and to truly free up space, remember to go to your deleted items folder and empty it completely. This simple process allows you to efficiently manage large volumes of old emails.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.